Now you will learn to use the MEXC Trading Bot even as a complete beginner. They have finally launched the Spot DCA bot that we have been waiting for years. It's the same bot that I have also used on Binance with great results. By the end of this video you will understand how it works and you will be able to use it yourself. The first step for using this Spot DCA bot is to create the 100% free MEXC account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can get the best welcome rewards on MEXC. After clicking the first link right here, you will land on the MEXC registration page where you can create your free account using your email address, phone number, Google, Apple, MetaMask or Telegram account. All sign up methods are free. Once you are inside MEXC, you can start claiming your welcome rewards here on the Event Center and Rewards Hub. And you will find this Spot DCA bot here on the Spot and DCA. Steady growth through ups and downs. And let me give you a little bit of background on this bot because MEXC was founded already in 2018. It's one of the top crypto exchanges in the world, especially famous for the lowest trading fees. However, for years they didn't have free built-in trading bots, but now they have them. First in 2025 they added futures grid trading bot, and then in 2026 they launched this Spot DCA bot. Now I will show you how to set it up, my recommended strategies and also answers for the frequently asked questions, and in the end I will give you also an alternative DCA bot so you can get even more benefits. You can use this bot by clicking here create DCA bot, or you can choose one of these pre-made plans, or you can choose any of the coins here on the bottom and simply click here create DCA bot. Let me just show an example from the top. Create the DCA bot right here, and here you will choose which coin you will accumulate, so which coin you want to acquire. My recommendation is BTC. I will explain more reasons in a moment. I will show you some numbers and charts, but in a nutshell all the other coins usually lose value against Bitcoin in the long run while BTC goes up in value. Then you click here confirm, then you will see here BTC 100%. Next you will be able to choose the DCA interval, meaning how often you want to get more Bitcoin, and the MEXC bot gives you a lot of flexibility. You can choose anything from every hour all the way to every 28 months. So you have a complete freedom to choose. You can even choose every day, every second day. The shorter time frame you choose, the more accurate DCA you will get. So from that perspective, every 1 hour is a great option, but daily is also a good option as well. For the example purposes, let me put here every 1 hour, and here you put amount per round. So how much you want to invest each hour. The minimum is only 1 USDT, so everyone will be able to use this bot. Here when you click for advanced settings, you are able to give a name for your plan. You can name this, for example, 1 USDT per hour Bitcoin DCA plan. Click here confirm, and here you can choose a price range, so this bot would buy Bitcoin within a specific time frame, but I don't recommend this one because in my opinion it's the best to continue using this as long as you humanly can. Then you click here create plan. You can still confirm all the details and click this blue button right here and it says created successfully. Then you can click view details, and here you can see the details. It will start showing the trade history here on the bottom. It will show you the PNL trend right here on the right, and also other details right here. When you want to go back to your bot from the Spot DCA bets, you can simply click here my DCA bots, and then it will take you right here. You scroll down a little bit and you can see strategies Spot DCA. You will find the same view also here on the Spot. Then you take spot trading, and here for strategies you can see your Spot DCA bot right here. Now I have one pro tip for you. When you get Bitcoin, or if you get any other coins right here, I recommend that you use this MEXC Earn product, because this will give you a nice boost for your coins. You will be able to earn interest, and a pretty nice interest. You can see here, for example, for USDT up to 30% APR, for USDC up to 15%, and for BTC also almost 2%. So that's really nice. And if you are asking why to do this Bitcoin DCA specifically with this bot, I will show you now the reasons. First of all, you notice here on the Bitcoin price chart that the price has gone all the way from a couple of cents, less than $1, first to hundreds, then to thousands, then to tens of thousands of dollars, going towards millions and tens of millions of dollars. And here you can see the same also in the percentages, how much Bitcoin has gone up on each time frame. For example, 3 years, 6 years, 9 years, 12 years, you can see the growth has been massive. And if you compare Bitcoin performance against gold or S&P 500 stock index, you can see that Bitcoin has outperformed them on almost any imaginable time frame. Just to give you some examples, in 6-year time frame, BTC has gone more than 1000%, while gold and S&P 500 have gone up less than 200%. 10 years, if we take for example, BTC has gone up more than 22,000%, gold and S&P 500 less than 400%. Here you can see the Bitcoin price, but if we hide the price, you can see 200 week moving average, this purple line right here, and you notice that it has gone up always, literally always. It means that every single long-term holder of Bitcoin has always been profitable as long as they held that BTC for at least 200 weeks. So that's a pretty strong case for Bitcoin. And when we talk about DCA, here is one crypto DCA calculator. You can use any DCA calculator you want to come to the same conclusions. Just to show you an example, for the last 10 years, if you invested $10 daily in Bitcoin, you would currently have more than 900,000 in plus. And if you use the lump sum strategy, you will see what happens. Your profits would be even higher. You can see this light orange right here. Next, let me show you the 5-year example. If you invested only $10 a day for Bitcoin for the last 5 years, again massively on the plus. And now if we show lump sum right here, you notice that it's more or less similar, but there are some moments where it would have been even higher than the DCA. So you know this here. First of all, the DCA is great with Bitcoin, and second, you notice that it's often better to get more Bitcoin immediately if you have funds available using so-called lump sum strategy. It simply means that you buy Bitcoin immediately instead of waiting. And as you do that, then you continue to get more Bitcoin, for example from your salary or however you get more funds. That is so-called manual DCA, because you will continue getting more Bitcoin regularly, but instead of using a bot, you use the manual way. Let me show how you can get more Bitcoin manually. You can come here to spot, then right here 0 fees. You can scroll this one to the right. You click here buy BTC, and that's it. That's how you get more Bitcoin. And now let's answer the big questions about this DCA strategy. First question that people are always asking is that can you lose money? And the answer is yes. With any bot or trading strategy on planet Earth, you can also lose money. However, if your Bitcoin investment is on the loss, that's usually the best time to get more Bitcoin because the price is cheaper then. Let me show you an example from one of my BINANCE DCA bots. You can see here these two are on minus. It means that now is the best time to continue using these plans. It's the same that when I ask you when was the best time to get Bitcoin, when it was high or when it was low. Of course, when the price was lower, and that's why DCA is even more powerful when the prices go lower. The second question that people ask is that how much should you invest? And as you saw here, the minimum investment is only $1 USDT, so you can start with with that one. But when you come to the calculator, you will notice that the more you had invested, the better. For example, if you take $100 daily, you can see that the profit would have been much higher. If we put another 0 right here, you notice that the profit would have been even higher. Of course, that is just a history, not a guarantee of the future, but in my opinion, the more you invest, the better. The earlier you do it, the better. Then people ask when to take your profit, and of course you have the freedom to choose, but historically Bitcoin has made new all-time highs over and over again. As I showed you here, 200-week moving average, it has always gone higher. And that's the beauty of DCA. It's truly a set and forget strategy, and you can do it as long as you want. Now, I promise to give you a great alternative for the MEXC DCA bot, and that's the one that I have mentioned and showed here on Binance. It's called Convert Recurring or Spot DCA. Here, the minimum is only 0.1 USDC, and when you click this one right here, you notice that they have much more currencies available for trading, and it gives you even greater flexibility. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance and more.